Hello, beautiful people. It's Karen here. I hope you are having a sublime day. Today is the second in a three-part series on amazing summer fruit salsas. The first was a pineapple strawberry salsa. If you didn't see it, please check it out. Today we will be doing a mango avocado salsa, and it is absolutely decadent. So let's go check out the ingredients. Let's take a look at what we're going to need for this mango avocado salsa. We'll need 2 cups of mango. We will need a small avocado diced. We'll need 1 tablespoon of jalapeno minced. We'll need 1 garlic clove minced. You'll need the juice of half of a lemon. You'll need 2 tablespoons of cilantro. You'll need half a red onion diced and 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and that's it. Let's get started with the mango. Mango's chopped, moving on to the red onion. Next, we will mince a bit of jalapeno. This is going to be really spicy and good. Next, some nice fragrant cilantro. Juice of half of a lemon. And last, I have a small avocado, and I am going to dice that, and then we're going to mix all of our ingredients. Now that you have all of your ingredients, you want to place everything in the bowl except your avocado. You want to mix all of those ingredients together to make sure everything is fully combined. And then at the very last step, you want to fold in your avocado. And you do that because you don't want the avocado to get mushy when you're doing that initial mixing. And then you want to serve this immediately. So I have everything in the bowl except the lemon juice and the avocado. I'm going to add the lemon juice, mix that, and then I will add the avocado in. It's absolutely lovely and fragrant. The cilantro and jalapenos are just really opening up that mango. Now I'm going to fold in the avocado, add a little bit of sea salt, and we'll be done. This mango avocado salsa is the second in a 3-part series on amazing summer fruit salsas. The first in the series was a spicy pineapple strawberry salsa. So if you didn't see that, make sure you go check it out. Although this salsa is great with your chips, it's also fabulous by itself. You can eat this just as a salad, or you can pair it with any of your meats, your fish, your chicken, your beef. It's a fabulous side dish. Hello, beautiful people. The mango avocado salsa was the second in a 3-part series on fresh summer fruit salsas. If you found it interesting in any respect and you want to make sure that you do not miss the third and last of the series, please hit the subscribe button. So until we meet again, think sublime thoughts.